Stop for a moment. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Then ask yourself, am I truly living or just existing? Everyone dreams of freedom, money, respect, love, and a life worth living. But the real question is, what are you doing today to make it real? Are you still scrolling on social media, making excuses, afraid to fail, or waiting for someday? Let me tell you the truth. You don't get a second life. You don't get another chance. This is it. Right now, today. I'm not here to give you fake motivation. I'm here to hold up a mirror so you can face the truth and finally wake up. If you want to speak better English, grow your confidence, and build the life you deserve, then don't just watch this video. Feel it, live it, act on it. Subscribe if you're ready for real talk and real change. Now, let's begin. You're not killing time. Time is killing you. Every "I'll do it tomorrow" costs you part of your life. Every hour wasted scrolling, every alarm you snooze is life slipping away. Your dreams don't care about excuses. The world only cares about results. So respect your hours like gold. Cut 1 hour of distractions each day and use it to grow. Value time, or it will destroy you. Your life is your responsibility, not your parents, not your boss, not society. Excuses like "I don't have money" or "I didn't get support" won't change anything. Many of the world's most successful people started with nothing, but they had fire, hunger, and the decision to change. Accept your story, but don't be a victim. Write down your problems, then write solutions and act on them. You are stronger than you think. Your comfort zone feels safe, but it kills growth. Want fluent English? Speak, even if you make mistakes. Want a business? Start, even if you fail 10 times. Success lives outside comfort. Every day, do something that makes you uncomfortable. Fail forward. Grow strong.
"I'll do it later" is the biggest lie you tell yourself. Later turns into never. Those who win in life act now, even if they're scared or not ready. Don't wait for perfect timing. Start small today, because one action now beats 100 plans for later. Overthinking is a cage. You plan, prepare, watch videos, take notes, but never act. Thinking is useful only for a short time. After that, it becomes fear. Action builds confidence. Don't wait to feel ready, just start. Be the one who wakes up early when others sleep, who studies when others party, who acts when others quit. Not everyone will believe in you, and that's fine. Believe in yourself. Every family, every group has one person who breaks limits. Why not you? Your biggest enemy isn't outside, it's inside, the lazy, weak version of you. Every day is a battle. Comfort versus growth. Fear versus courage. Which version will you feed? The wolf of weakness or the wolf of strength? Feelings are liars. You won't always feel like studying English, working out, or chasing your dream. That's why willpower matters. Willpower is a muscle. Train it daily. Do the hard thing even when you don't want to. Discipline wins over moods. Comparison steals happiness. On social media, you see 15 seconds of someone's life and compare it to your 24 hours. Focus on your journey. Track your growth, not someone else's highlight reel. You are not here to be like them. You are here to be better than who you were yesterday. Don't take advice from people who haven't done what you want to do. If they've never built a business, spoken fluent English, or chased big dreams, their opinion is noise. Follow those who've walked the path, not those who only talk.
Stop waiting to be chosen. Stop waiting for approval. The world doesn't pick you until you've already made it. So pick yourself. Start the channel. Write the book. Take the shot. When you believe in yourself, the world eventually follows. A safe life is an empty life. Every success story is built on risk. Without it, you'll have no growth and no story worth telling. Take a risk today. Speak up. Apply. Try. Because one moment of courage can change your future. Time doesn't wait. One day you'll look in the mirror, older, wondering, what happened to my dreams? Don't wait until regret crushes you. Act now, before it's too late. People are too busy with their own problems, and that's your power. Because if nobody cares, you're free to try, fail, and rise without permission. Nobody cares, but you do, and that's enough. Stop waiting for the perfect time. It doesn't exist. Life is always messy. Start now. Take one step today. That single step could create an entirely new life. You are not stuck. You are not a tree. If your life feels fake, rebuild it. Change your habits, your circle, your mindset. Life is your canvas. Paint your own version. Society, family, and friends may try to trap you with their expectations, but their box is not your destiny. Live for your dream, not theirs. Otherwise, you'll spend your life smiling in public, but crying in private. Don't hide your pain. Use it. Let it build you instead of breaking you. The strongest people turned pain into strength, heartbreak into self-respect, and failure into wisdom. You survived, and that means you are stronger than what tried to destroy you. Every time you scroll endlessly, you feed distraction. Every time you study, create, or work, you feed focus. Focus is trained like a muscle. Feed it daily, and in 1 year, your life will transform. The world doesn't reward potential, it rewards performance. No one will hand you success. You must fight for it. Life is a battlefield. Either fight or slowly die with regret. Maybe right now you feel broken, tired, or lost, but listen, you are not finished yet. Your future is waiting. Your greatness is waiting. Pick yourself. Act today, because time is short and the world needs the powerful version of you. Stay strong.